Hai guys, welcome back to my channel YouTube. Oke guys, di video kali ini aku bakal reaction video lagi. Dan videonya ini tuh nggak kalah serem sama kemarin ya guys. Kalau kemarin tuh aku reaction penampakan Squid Game, ini dia videonya. Ting. Nah itu tuh kayak penampakan Squid Game tuh kayak ada bonekanya juga, ada pasukannya juga. Dan itu juga nggak kalah serem, tapi dari orang lain ya guys. Jadi dia itu menangkap penampakan boneka Squid Game dan petugas Squid Game di kehidupan nyata gitu guys katanya. Oke, nggak usah pakai lama, langsung aja kita reaction videonya, mulai.
Yo, what's going on, Dragon Army? Welcome back to another crazy video. Squid Game just came out. Everyone is going crazy about it. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it right now. You will not be disappointed. But listen, besides that, somebody actually said in my city that they received a random card, just like the one from Squid Game.
Oke guys, jadi karena dia di sebuah kota ini itu ada kayak Squid Game gitu. Diam-diam ada Squid Game yang ada di kota ini gitu guys. Dan dia percaya kalau pasti ada penampakan petugas atau boneka Squid Game ya. Jadi langsung aja dia bakal mau nerbangin drone-nya ya guys. Oke guys, ya udah nerbangin drone-nya di situ. Dan itu kayak ada gedung gitu guys. Itu gedung apa ya? Itu guys, dia di mobil putih. Oke guys, ini kayak ada sebuah komplek ya, ada sebuah rumah, ada padang rumput, ada kayak gedung-gedung, itu nggak tahu sekolah atau gedung apa, kurang tahu, atau apalah itu ya. Jadi favorit karakternya dia itu adalah kakek-kakek tua yang ada di Squid Game itu guys. Kata dia karena dia itu suka senyum ke semua orang gitu katanya. Jadi dia suka sama karakter kakek tua yang ada di Squid Game. Di sini banyak banget ya kayak tempat hijau-hijau seperti ini, daerah padang rumput. Itu kayak ada kebun gitu kayaknya. Banyak banget perkebunan di situ guys. Dan dia juga suka favorit karakter yang dari Pakistan itu guys. Katanya di situ ada Squid Game yang berjalan di kota itu guys. Jadi diam-diam itu game Squid Game berjalan di kota ini gitu katanya. Oke guys, dia sedang mencari sebuah penampakan petugas Squid Game atau boneka gitu katanya. Kita lihat aja apakah benar ada penampakan itu. Sepi banget guys, sepi banget di situ. Maksudnya di area gedungnya tuh bener-bener sepi banget. Tiba-tiba ada kayak petugas Squid Game yang lari guys dari arah sana. Oh iya guys. Oh my god, serem banget, serem banget. Iya guys, tadi itu kayak ada petugas Squid Game yang lari ya guys ya. Cepet banget dia larinya. Dia kayak pakai jaket merah gitu. Pokoknya persis banget kayak petugas Squid Game.
One of the other characters that I'm more afraid of than the Squid Game is that giant doll. Do you guys remember that giant doll from that, like the giant doll that goes? That's what I'm actually afraid of. If I see that giant doll, I'm gonna freak out. So right now we exactly where the
Oh my god.
a lot of things are hiding right now. But I did see the giant doll. Now I wonder if
Kata dia yakin banget dia bakal menemukan penampakan boneka Squid Game di sini, guys. Oke, mari kita lihat kali ya.
so if I see that doll, I'm kind of freaked out.
Hah?
You saw that?
Kata dia ada sesuatu yang mencurigakan di situ. Ada apa, guys?
It was like inside though. You guys saw that? I saw something inside. Did it go lower? I just saw something inside.
Katanya ada sesuatu keanehan di dalam gedung itu, guys. Kata dia. Apa ya keanehannya ya? Kok nggak ngeliat apa-apa sih, guys? Nah, semua orang yang di jalan ternyata.
I don't know where that one went. I'm gonna keep looking though.
Kata dia tahu ada kayak pekerjaan Squid Game di daerah sini, tapi dia nggak tahu tepatnya di mana
Went
gitu.
to like that building.
Tepatnya ya, guys.
Went to this
Katanya di daerah ini gitu.
So I gotta keep looking for it, guys.
Tapi tadi petugas Squid Game-nya itu lari dari arah sana dan masuk ke gedung putih ini nggak sih, yang gedung besar putih ini, guys?
I don't wait. Where'd they go?
Hah? Apa sih?
He was just here. Oh my god. Where the frick did he go? Guys, hold on. Let me try to get a better angle. I don't know where.
Dia di belakang kayak ada muka boneka Squid Game.
We're just not here. I don't see.
Senyumnya creepy banget. Dia nengok ke belakang. Tadi kayak ada boneka Squid Game. Dan BTW senyumnya boneka Squid Game serem banget, guys. Di situ kayak creepy senyumnya gitu.
I could have sworn. I felt like something was like watching me. Okay, maybe it's just my imagination. Maybe I'm just freaking out. I swear.
Katanya itu kayak halusinasi dia aja gitu kalau dia ngelihat sesuatu di belakangnya.
I feel like something was watching me. I thought I was following or something, but maybe I'm just tripping out. Maybe there's nothing here. I'm just tripping out. Okay, so clearly something's going on in this area. If you guys want me to come back here and go searching for the giant doll and Squid Game worker on foot, you guys can hit that like button right now. Everyone comment part number 2 and make sure you subscribe so when I upload that video you don't miss out. But I need a lot of you guys to do it. I'm pretty much risking my life here. What if this worker comes out and hits me in the head with something and I wake up in the game? We don't want to do it. Alright? So you need to hit the like button. These are all comments. We saw the worker. And I'm still looking for the giant doll. I don't know if we're gonna see the giant doll, but I have a feeling we can get it as well. I'm waiting for people to ask for the giant doll. Hey, look, there's a random house down there. Let's go check it out. What's the thing with this area is there's so many buildings, and all these buildings are hundreds of years old. So,
Kok aku jadi merinding, guys?
and who knows what's going on in some of these buildings? Like there might be, some of these might be a facility for Squid Game. So that's why I think you guys do.
Kata dia di sini tuh ada kayak daerah yang mencurigakan, guys.
There is the experimental farm down there as well. And we saw Sean the sheep down there. It's crazy how it's all like right beside each other. Oh, what's down here? Oh my god. Guys, look, I also found something down here. Let's keep this going. What the fuck? Guys, like I said, if you see anything that I don't know, please comment down below time. I see these random sketchy little houses right here. I'm gonna go down this way. See what this says. Oh my god, what is this place?
Wow my god, guys, itu
It's like all these
tempatnya bener-bener sepi banget ya, guys. Itu kayak itu nggak sih buat nyimpen padi gitu, rumah buat nyimpen padi. Dan kata dia kayaknya itu tutup, guys. Sisinya sepi. Kata dia drone-nya pas ada di sini tuh kayak nge-glitch error gitu katanya.
Something smells fishy. Let's just say. Let's just say something smells a little.
Aku merinding sih di sini, kayak itu sepi banget tempatnya, guys. Bayangin.
Maybe this is where all the food gather all their poop and put it right there, and then sell their poop in the black market. I don't know. I'm just the guy with a theory. You know what I mean? If you guys have any crazy theories about the game, comment down below. But don't ruin it for people. But definitely comment down below if you have any crazy theories. Okay, hold on. We gotta go lower. So I can have a chance at this. See what the heck's going on. Let's see. Let's go lower. Check.
Kayak ada suara. Suara mobil kah? Oh, di belakang tuh ada suara mobil ternyata. Oh my god. Drone-nya error guys ternyata. Dia itu pengen ngelihat rumah itu dari dekat ya guys, soalnya dia bilang rumah itu cukup mencurigakan gitu. Apaan sih? Suara. Oh my god. Ada traktor kah? Kursi sampingku geser sendiri guys.
Guys, I've been looking for a while. I don't see a Squid Game worker or anything, guys. I've really been looking for so long. No signs of a Squid Game.
Dan dia bilang dia itu enggak ketemu sama boneka Squid Game atau apapun ya di sini, guys.
So weird.
Kata dia susah banget mencari penampakan Squid Game atau boneka Squid Game itu. Di situ banyak banget parkiran mobil dan mobil tersebut parkir di situ. Apa jangan-jangan tuh mobilnya Squid Game lagi? Kok agak mencurigakan dikit gitu. Oh my god. Oke guys, gila, aku kaget banget. Drone-nya rusak tuh drone-nya. Kaget, gila. Tiba-tiba langsung jump scare banget gitu. God. Mati tuh drone guys. Oke, drone-nya udah kembali normal lagi guys. Dan sudah lari guys petugas Squid Game. Oke guys, sudah selesai videonya guys. Jadi tadi kebanyakan tuh penampakannya tuh petugas Squid Game nggak sih? Jadi nggak ada penampakan boneka Squid Game-nya. Oh my god, kaget banget. Yang terakhir jumpscare banget. Oke guys, mungkin sampai sini dulu videonya. Jangan lupa buat like, comment, dan subscribe. Dan thanks for watching. Dadah. BTW aku masih ingat kalau penampakan Squid Game, boneka Squid Game itu ada di mobil belakangnya si orangnya tadi ya guys. Tiba-tiba dia ngintip di belakang.